Hello, my name is Rose, and today I am making a dream catcher for my good friend. She asked me to use special colors to represent her mother. I am honored to make this dream catcher for my dear friend. For this dream catcher, I have a 9-inch diameter, and in the middle will be the tree of life. And she asked me to use yellow, blue, and green for the tree of life. And the remainder of the dream catcher, she asked me to use yellow and blue beads. And for the leather, she asked me to use gray. We are ready to wrap the ring. We are ready to start our webbing. We are ready to add our beads. We are ready to start the third row. How cool was that? It fit perfectly! That is so awesome. Now I'm gonna make the tree of life. First I'm gonna tie the knot, then make the tree of life. Now I'm gonna make the tree of life, wrap this ring. We are gonna cut our lace, put our beads on, feathers, and then we're all completed. We're going to take all our beads and match it with this, then add our feathers. The last bead. I changed my mind on the feathers, so I wanted to be brighter because it had so much yellow and the sunshine and blue. So I thought I had yellow feathers and lots of white feathers just to make this dream catcher represents yellow and sunshine and brightness. I wanted to change the previous feathers I had shown before to these feathers. I'm almost done and I'll show you in a minute. It turned out very, very nice. I love the colors. The yellow, the yellow, the yellow, yellow, and yellow feathers. It all matches really nice. I'm going to put my business card with my name, Rose, from Mi'kmaq Creations. And the story of the dream catcher is in the back. Please like and subscribe and share the video and have a good day. If you would like to make a dream catcher, I have a step-by-step tutorial video. Please see the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.